Ang karunungan ay kapangyarihan. It's time once again to put that power to the test here on K-Check. Hello everyone, I'm Jules Giang and this is K-Check. Gaano kaya kabagsik ang karunungan ng ating mga contestants sa araw na ito? A word of advice, hindi lang karunungan ang labanan dito. Kailangan you can think on your feet in front of these cameras and under time pressure. Are you up for the challenge? And viewers, sana ay samahan nyo kami until the final week of competition to find out who our next K-Check champion will be. 4 na contestants ang dadaan sa ating karunungan check sa araw na ito. Unang-una, we have Ion. Ion is a graduating geography student from UP Diliman. He is into history, geography, science, and general information. He also likes to play volleyball. Sunod naman, we have Joshua. Joshua is a Bachelor of Secondary Education student of UP Diliman, majoring in social studies. In his free time, he likes watching movies, playing Minecraft, and reading books he never gets to finish. His favorite party trick is reciting all the LRT and MRT stations from memory. Sunod naman, we have Sai. Sai is a student in UP Diliman studying electronic engineering, and he is just a low-key person. And finally, we have Yin. Yin is a second-year Associate in Arts Theater student at UP Diliman. He actively participates in Dulaang Laboratorio Productions, and in his free time, he enjoys writing poems and plays. These 4 will be competing under the watchful eyes of today's K-Check panel of experts. Firstly, we have Professor Luisa De Leon Bolinao, former Chair of the Department of History from UP Diliman. Next, we have CHED Technical Panel Chairperson for Chemistry and Executive Director of the UP Intelligent Systems Center, Professor Ricky Nelias of the UP Diliman Institute of Chemistry. And finally, we have Professor Eloy Hernandez of the Department of Art Studies, College of Arts and Letters from UP Diliman. At ngayon, contestants, handa na ba kayo for our first round? Correct answers are 10 points each. Get ready to buzz in and collect those points. Let's begin. This is round 1. Question number 1. Which actor was declared a Disney legend in 2024, decades after playing the roles of Han Solo and Indiana Jones in the movies? The correct answer is Harrison Ford. Question number 2. Ossification is the process by which what parts of the body repair themselves after a fracture? Sai.
Bones.
Bones is correct. Okay, check. Question number 3. Who led the Huns in conquering parts of Hungary, Ukraine, Germany, and Poland? Joshua.
Attila.
Let me proceed. In the 5th century, Attila is correct. Okay, check. Question number 4. Which pop superstar is known for her Fenty Beauty brand? Ion.
Rihanna.
Let me proceed. Which is famous for its inclusive shade range and trend-setting makeup looks. You said Rihanna. That is correct. Okay, check. Question number 5. How is a male deer or Milwaukee basketball player called? Ion.
A buck.
A buck or buck is correct. Okay, check. Question number 6. The town of Amadeo calls itself the coffee capital of the Philippines because of the quality and quantity of coffee it produces. In what province can you find Amadeo, Joshua?
Cavite.
Cavite is correct. Okay, check. Question number 7. What is 40% of 50? Joshua.
20.
20 is correct. Okay, check. Question number 8. Freddie Mercury was the lead vocalist of which group? Sai?
Queen.
Have you proceed? From 1970 to 1991, you said Queen. That is correct. Okay, check. Question number 9. Which continent's eastern part has seen an increase in ice shelf size between 2002 and 2023 despite global warming? Sai.
Antarctica.
Antarctica is correct. Okay, check for Sai. Question number 10. Forint is the currency of which European nation? Joshua.
Norway?
Norway is wrong. Anyone can answer? Sai.
Hungary.
Hungary is correct. Okay, check. Question number 11. In what city in Italy are tourists now charged 5 euros for a day trip on top of the boat charge for riding through the canal? Sai.
Venice.
Venice is correct. Okay, check. Last question for this round, number 12. In what month does the winter solstice occur in the southern hemisphere? Joshua.
December?
December is wrong. Ion.
June.
June is correct. Okay, check. And that ends round number 1. And that's it for our first round. After that round, we have Sai on the lead with 50 points, followed by Ion and Joshua with 30 points each. And Yin, pwede ka pang humabol sa ating mga next rounds. So dito sa ating show, meron din tayong portion na mas kinikilala natin ng ating mga contestants. Dito lamang yan sa Kay Chika. Simulan natin with Ion. So Ion, bakit geography ang napili mong course? Meron ba tong kinalaman sa hilig mo sa traveling?
Yes po, meron po. Pero aside from that, parang gusto ko po kasi yung field work na ginagawa sa geography and you get to explore different places din po.
Okay, thank you, Ion. Ito naman si Joshua. Joshua, nasabi mo na marami kang mga libro na hindi natatapos. Bakit mo hindi natatapos?
Nagwawala kasi yung attention ko and nag-hop yung interest ko from one book to another.
So, parang open-ended na lang lahat yun.
Yeah, naghahalo-halo na lang siya.
Ini-imagine mo na lang how it could end.
Yeah.
Okay, maraming salamat, Ion and Joshua. Mamaya babalikan naman natin sila Sai at Yin para sa inyong mga backgrounds naman. Pero in the meantime, paghandaan naman natin ang round 2. Susunod na yan sa pagbabalik ng K-Check. At tuloy pa rin ang ating karunungan check. Points recap muna tayo. In the lead, si Sai with 50 points, followed by Ion and Joshua with 30 points each. At si Yin naman, pwede pang humabol sa ating mga susunod na round. Okay, tuloy-tuloy pa rin tayo sa ating second round ng K-Chika. So, Sai, unfortunately, walang naniniwala sa amin na low-key ka lang. Okay, so can you let us know something about you that no one else knows?
Di po kasi ako mahilig mag-social media. Di po ako pinapayagan ng parents ko. Pero pag nahanap nyo, shh na lang po kayo.
Secret lang daw po yun.
Secret lang po.
Niya. Okay. Next naman si Yin. Yin, ano ang dream mo for the poems and plays na sinusulat mo?
Yung dream ko po for my plays, lalo na sa plays na naisusulat ko, is maitanghal po siya yung mga hindi lang siya naisusulat, kundi na itatanghal rin.
Ilan na so far yung mga nasusulat mo?
Hindi ko pa po alam, pero as far as I know, meron na pong 5 for plays, and I don't know kung sa tula meron.
Thank you, Yin. So maraming salamat sa inyo. But now, it's time for round 2. So contestants, get ready to buzz in, but make sure you strategize. Correct answers are worth 20 points each, but you lose 10 points if you answer incorrectly. Kaya naman, let's begin. This is round 2. Question number 1. Which fictional teddy bear is featured in the 2023 horror film, partially titled, Ion?
Winnie the Pooh.
Let me proceed. Partially titled Blood and Honey. You said Winnie the Pooh. That is correct. Okay, check. Question number 2. Antonio Guterres became the Secretary General of what organization in 2017? Joshua.
United Nations.
United Nations is correct. Okay, check. Question number 3. Which single by Sabrina Carpenter that compares her to strong coffee is the song of the summer for 2024? Ion. Nelly Corda became number 1 in the world rankings in 2021 in what sport? The correct answer is golf. Question number 5. Chancellor is the title of the head of government of which 350,000 Ion.
Germany.
Let me proceed. Of which 350,000 square kilometer European country? You said Germany. That is correct. Okay, check. Question number 6. Which actor who starred in Jurassic World and Guardians of the Galaxy films? Sai.
Chris Pratt.
Let me continue. Play the title role in the Garfield movie. You said Chris Pratt. That is correct. Okay, check. Question number 7. In math. If 3 bananas cost 24 pesos, how much do 5 bananas cost? Ion.
40 pesos.
40 pesos is correct. Okay, check. Question number 8. Kim Petras provided additional vocals to which Sam Smith song that surpassed 1 billion streams worldwide? The correct answer is Unholy. Question number 9. In what fantasy series did Liza Soberano play the role of Ganda, a female warrior? Ian.
13.
Come again?
13.
13 is wrong. Anyone can answer? Sai.
Bagani.
Bagani is correct. Okay, check. Question number 10. Which biblical city in ancient Assyria was the largest city in the world more than 2,700 years ago? Ion.
Babylon.
Babylon is wrong. Joshua.
Nineveh.
Nineveh or Nineveh is correct. Okay, check. Question number 11. The Ballad of Songbirds and Snakes is a prequel to what trilogy by Suzanne Collins? Sai.
Hunger Games.
The Hunger Games is correct. Okay, check. Last question for this round. In the PBA, the Pure Foods hot dogs of the PBA are now known by what team name? Ion.
Magnolia Hot Shots.
Magnolia Hot Shots is correct. Okay, check. That ends round number 2. And that's it for our second round. Let's do a scores recap. In the lead, tied actually, sina Ion and Sai with 110 points each. Followed by Joshua with 70 points. And Yin, pwede pa tayong humabol. Dahil hindi pa tapos ang laban, ultimate pagalingan na sa pagbabalik ng K-Check. Welcome back to K-Check. Points recap muna tayo. Tied, nangunguna sina Ion and Sai with 110 points each. Followed by Joshua with 70 points. And Yin, pwede pa tayong humabol dahil paparating na ang ultimate pagalingan round. Dito, correct answers are worth 30 points each at may 15-point deduction for wrong answers. For this multiple choice round, we will accept the answer itself or the letter and answer, but not the letter only. Kaya naman, let's go for those points and for the win. Remember, sa ating panel of experts, manggagaling ang mga katanungan. Let's begin! Simulan na natin ang ating ultimate pagalingan round. First question from Prof. Lou.
Simula tayo sa Asian history. The infamous Long March was a retreat led by which Chinese political party? The choices are A. Kuomintang, B. Qing Loyalist, C. Warlord Coalition, D. Boxer Rebels, E. Communist Party.
E. Communist Party.
The Long March was a military retreat from advancing Kuomintang forces during the Chinese Civil War, occurring between October 1934 and October 1935 by the Chinese Red Army and the Chinese Communist Party. The correct answer is E, Communist Party. K-check.
Thank you, Prof. Next question from Prof. Ricky.
Gen Sai naman tayo. Which gas do plants absorb from the air? A. Oxygen.
Joshua.
Carbon dioxide.
B. Hydrogen. C. Carbon dioxide. D. Nitrogen. E. Helium. Plants absorb carbon dioxide during photosynthesis to make food. They release oxygen as a byproduct. K-check.
Thank you. Prof. Eloy, go ahead.
In Star Wars, who is the twin of Luke Skywalker? A. Princess Leia. B. Han Solo. C. Yoda. D.
Sai.
A. Princess Leia.
Let me continue. D. Lando Calrissian. E. Obi-Wan Kenobi. And the correct answer is A. Princess Leia.
Thank
Okay,
you.
check.
Next set of questions. Prof. Lu, second question, please.
World history naman tayo. Which ancient civilization built Machu Picchu?
Ion.
The Incans.
Okay, let me just read the choices. A. Mayans. B. Aztecs. C. Incas. D. Romans. E. Greeks. The Incas built Machu Picchu in the 15th century in present-day Peru as a royal estate. The correct answer is C. Incas. K-check.
Thank you. Prof. Ricky.
Intersection naman tayo ng chemistry and physics. Which quantum number describes the orientation of an orbital in space? A. Principal. B. Azimuthal. C. Magnetic. D. Spin. E. Quantum mass. The magnetic quantum number specifies the orientation of an orbital within a subshell such as px, py, and pz.
Thanks, Prof. Next question, Prof. Eloy.
What is the name of the Filipino cartoonist famous for his Pugad Baboy series? A. Larry Alcala. B. Paul Medina.
Joshua.
Paul Medina.
Let me finish. C. Manix Abrera. D. Francisco Coching. And E. Nonoy Marcelo. The correct answer is Paul Medina. Okay, check.
Thank you. So before we proceed to the last half of this round, mag-scores recap muna tayo para aware kayo. Si Ion ang leading ngayon with 170 points, followed by Sai with 140 points, closely followed by Joshua with 130 points, and Yin, meron pa tayong 180 points. Tama bang math ko? Tama. Okay, simulan na natin ang ating third set of questions. Prof. Lu, go ahead.
Okay, Jules, dito naman tayo sa world history. What event triggered the start of World War I?
Ion.
The assassination of Archduke Franz Ferdinand.
Okay, let me read the choices. Letter A, invasion of Poland. Letter B, Treaty of Versailles. C, Russian Revolution. D, Great Depression. E, assassination of Archduke Franz Ferdinand. The assassination of Franz Ferdinand in 1914 led Austria-Hungary to declare war, starting World War I. That's the correct answer, assassination of Archduke Franz Ferdinand. K-check.
Prof. Ricky.
Sa math naman tayo. What mathematical constant is the ratio of a circle's circumference to its diameter?
Joshua.
Pi.
A. Epsilon. B. Pi. C. Phi. D. Tau. E. Gamma. Pi 3.14159 appears in countless mathematical and physical formulas involving circles and waves. Okay, check.
Prof. Eloy, your question, please.
She is the only national artist for two fields, music and theater. What is her name? A. Nora Honor. B. Atang Dalarama. C. Daisy Avellana. D. Lucrecia Casilag. E. Alice Reyes.
D. Lucrecia Casilag.
Mali yun.
Joshua.
Atang Delarama.
Atang Dalarama was declared as national artist for music and theater. She is also the first ever actress in the Philippines for the film Dalagang Bukid, married to national artist for literature Amado V. Hernandez. The correct answer is Atang Delarama. K-check.
Okay, so here we go. Last round for this part. Prof. Lu, for your fourth question.
Magkakaalaman na sa huling round. Maiba naman, Asian geography tayo. The Himalayas span across multiple countries. Which country does not border the Himalayas? Letter A, Nepal. B, Bhutan. C, Pakistan. D, China.
Iyon.
D, China.
That is incorrect. Let me continue. E, Bangladesh.
Joshua.
Bangladesh.
The Himalayan range borders only 6 countries: Nepal, China, Pakistan, Bhutan, India, and Afghanistan. Bangladesh is not a border country of the Himalayas. The correct answer is E, Bangladesh. K-check.
Thank you. 60 points left. Okay, ang current leader natin ngayon ay si Joshua with 220 points and Ion naman sinusundan with 185 points. Prof. Ricky, go ahead.
Pa-high-tech naman tayo ngayon. Okay, which spectroscopy technique detects nuclear spin transitions? A, IR. B, UV-Vis. C, Raman. D, NMR. E, mass spec.
Type.
The NMR.
Nuclear magnetic resonance, or NMR, detects transitions in nuclear spin states, widely used in organic chemistry and medicine. K-check.
Okay, before we proceed to the final question, as you can see, dikit-dikit ang scores ng ating contestants ngayon. So, tingnan natin kung paano sila magsa-strategize with this question. Prof. Eloy, go ahead.
Ito na. Exciting. In Sesame Street, who is the 3.5-year-old red Muppet
Sai.
Elmo.
that refers to himself in the third person? Letter A, Elmo. B, Cookie Monster. C, Big Bird. D, Grouch. E, Ernie. The 3-year-old red Muppet that refers to himself in the third person with the frenemy Rocco is Elmo. K-check.
Okay, and that's it for our K-Check Ultimate Pagalingan. Congratulations to Joshua, our K-Check Daily winner with a final score of 220 points. We'll see you again on Friday when you compete with our other daily winners for a spot in our semifinals. Palakpakan din po natin sina Ion, Sai, and Yin. And to the members of our panel of experts, Professor Lu, Prof. Ricky, and Prof. Eloy. Maraming salamat po. Ako po si Jules Giang. And please join us again tomorrow for another K-Check.